I'm gonna program my LiftMaster touchpad for my unit over here. This is the Security 2.0 LiftMaster. There's a button, the yellow one there. You'll touch that within 30 seconds. Get back over here, type in your code for these instructions. That's the learn button, the yellow one. It's the motor head that I showed you. Come back and enter the 30 digits. I'll try to do it right now. If you're not tall enough, you wouldn't be able to do this. But lucky for me, I can reach. So that's lit up yellow to the left of it. I got 20 seconds left or more. So I'll come over here and I'll type in a code. And then that's supposed to blink. We'll see.